software companies have been getting hit lately, but I still believe that software is going to have a really good July this month. And then after that, it gets a little bit dicey. So let's just jump right into it. Historically, since 1950, the S&P 500 has gone up 1.2%. And part of that has been software doing about 3% higher in July. So seasonality, we have it on our side when it comes to the markets doing good in July and also software doing good in July. But that's not enough. We have to dive deep and look at the charts. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that we recently got a bull trigger and we flipped our bear trend into a bull trend, and our matrix is confirming that down here. But the thing about it is that you must get a retest to confirm it before the move higher. And we recently rejected off the 200-day moving average. So as of right now, the daily is still bullish. Like I said, we had our bull trigger and we had our flip of our bear trend into a bull trend. And we just simply came back recently as of today and retested this $90 range, and we're currently wicking off that. I do believe that we will see a move up to $100 on IGV. IGV is the SaaS software ETF, heavily weighted by Microsoft, Palantir, etc. If we look at a weekly chart, what we'll see is not the greatest. So I originally thought, if we roll back here, right, we've had all this support dating back since 2023. We had a false breakdown of that support, and then we absolutely ripped from 73.60 all the way up to 108. But then we came all the way back down to retest this breakout area right in here. We retested it, we wicked off of it. Everything's looking fairly good now. But the worst thing about this is that our Williams percentage range does not look that great. It looks like that we ran up, broke out of this bearish Williams consolidation box, broke up here, hit the red barrier, immediately rejected down, never formed a bullish Williams consolidation box, meaning price would continue higher, established that trend. We actually came down, made a lower high, a lower low, and now we are breaking down through this. And it looks like we will gravitate down to the green barrier. But again, I don't believe that's going to be until September and August and September from here. I do believe that we will get this bounce up to $100, and SaaS is going to see a nice pop, a nice rally in July. And then after that, I do believe that we could come down here into this anywhere from $80 to $85 range. And the options market is also confirming that. And on the weekly chart too, we do have a bull trigger. We do have our bullish trend continuing to hold price higher after breaking out from this bearish trend. So the bull trigger and the bullish trend, they all look good. But again, a move up to 100 or 105, that might be all we get. Just because this Williams percentage range looks like it wants to visit the green barrier. We're rolling over on the matrix, so it looks like it wants to come back down here into the sweet spot, which again would bring us down here in this $80-ish range. In the options market, like I was just saying, it's kind of showing the exact same thing. So over here on Voltic.io, if you want 20% off this site, I'll leave that link down below. But basically what we're seeing here is the fact that we're at $92 today. We're at $92 today. And what we're seeing in the options market is that for the next few weeks, we have a $95 volt, a $100 volt, and then a $99 volt, and then another $100 volt. And what a volt is, it's like a magnet. It's like a magnet, and if it's up here, like it is right here around 100, and the price is down here, what the volt is doing is it's pulling that price action towards it. A volt is just a magnet. It's pulling that price action towards it. So as such, right, we can expect a move up to around $100 over the course of July, right? As we see here, over the course of July. But then after that, in August, September, and even into November, it gets pretty bearish. We're talking about $90 volt all the way down to 85 to 80, right? And that's not that great. Again, when we're looking back at the chart, it kind of makes sense. It kind of makes sense that okay, we bounce off the bull trend here on the weekly. We bounce off the bull trend here off the daily. We make a run up to say 100, maybe 105, and then we start, collapsing down on the daily and weekly, right? And we start coming down here to 90, 85, and then 80 to come back down here in these lows and then get the green barrier and then get another great buying opportunity on software and SaaS. And now this is mainly going to be happening because of what I believe is going to happen in the overall markets. I don't believe this is just simply a SaaS software problem as it was before. I believe this is going to be an overall market pullback or correction that causes this. And I will be making a different video talking about what I'm seeing in the overall markets. And yeah, talking about what I'm seeing in the overall markets and why I believe that July, we're going to have a nice month, but it's going to probably be a trap into August and September where we could see a pullback to correction. If you want our indicators, the matrix, the bull triggers, the bull trends, the matrix targets that show you invalidations, show you targets for bullish and bearish, and especially whenever it's kind of mixed right now. So our bull target is up there, our bear target's down there. If you want all of that, you can come on over into the High Five Collective. I'll also leave this link down in the bio below. We have investing, trading, platinum. You can come see our trade alerts, come get all our courses, our Trading 101 course, our matrix indicators. Like I said, all the indicators that I use for my momentum swing trading and long-term trading. You can get all of that. If you want to come over for investing, we have that as well. I appreciate you guys all. Hope you got value out of this video. Drop a comment below what you think IGV and SaaS is going to do for July and then after July. And I'll be sure to get down there and read those comments and get back to you guys. Hope you guys have a great and amazing day. Catch you guys in the next one.